So background noise can be really annoying. I mean, just a bit of background noise can make your audio seem really unprofessional. But today I'm going to show you how you can reduce background noise using Adobe Audition. Okay, so before we even get started, let's listen to the audio that we have to work with. Hey guys, I'm Tejas, and today I'm going to show you how you can get some fake bokeh in your... So the first thing you want to do is select those areas in your audio file where you're not speaking, you're not doing anything, the only thing you can hear is background noise. So once you've selected that, you want to go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Restoration, and Capture Noise Print. Next, you want to go to Effects again and go to Noise Reduction / Restoration and go to Noise Reduction. Over here, you have two options: Noise Reduction and Reduce By. So in Noise Reduction, you can play around with the value to see how much noise you want the software to remove. And for the second option, you can choose by how many decibels you want to reduce the noise. As for noise reduction, I say I'll go with 95, and as for reduce by, I'll go with something like, 22. Next, you want to hit apply, and that's it. Now, let's listen to the audio again. Hey guys, I'm Tejas, and today I'm going to show you how you can get some fake bokeh in your... So I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch out for the next one.